So guys, hello, this is C3UG again. And I don't know if you have been out in the sticks somewhere, but if you have been, let us give you a quick update on what's coming in October. And if in case you didn't hear about it, the Domino 10 worldwide launch event is happening in Frankfurt, Germany on October 9th. And guess who will be there? It's C3UG for you. We're gonna watch it all. We're gonna take our guesses and we'll let you guys know exactly what's going to happen at that specific most important Domino event of the year.
And what you need to do is go to the Destination Domino website, Google it for the link, or we'll provide a link in this video description. Go there and register. You can watch the whole launch event free as a live stream. I believe there will also be a replay link, which we'll get to you after the fact.
And in preparation for the whole thing, we're going to get together and list off for you what IBM has published as the features and functionality that is coming in Domino 10, share our thoughts on what we think we're looking forward to the most, and then afterwards, we're going to get together again and just share our thoughts on what we saw in the whole presentation, the things that we can actually get our hands on right away, and just our impressions overall, what people can start using right away as soon as they upgrade to Domino 10. So tune in, and we're really looking forward to it.
Lots of good stuff, guys. We're legitimately excited about much of it, and more to come.
Absolutely. See you guys.